How to change Netflix plan. So first of all, we will just have to move in this browser and make sure you will have netflix.com, and you will just have to enter your email address or mobile number and just tap for continue. After, we will just have to uh, send you a link on your email. So we will just move and just find the email link from the Netflix. So we will just have to finish sign up here. After, we'll just go and just sign up. So here you will just have to choose your plan, no commitments, cancel anytime, endless entertainment for one low price, enjoy Netflix on all your devices. So you will just have to take for next, and right over here you will just have to choose a plan that's right for you. So number one is standard with ads, 180 pixels, and second one is standard, which is basic, and this is premium, which is 4K plus HDR, and its monthly price is 18.99 euro. So video quality was best, resolution was 4K, and spatial audio is included, sport devices, TV, computer, mobile phone, tablet, and you will just device your hold with the watch at same time with 4 devices connected. Download devices 6, no ads. So in this way you will just have to select it your plan, and you will also change it. Thank you so much for watching.